Nongtrei ka Laitumkhrah uba wan ket bok pochna ulasai madan ye kimat ki baidei bat ki kamtei ïing beaiñ ha ka jaka sa ki nongtrei ka shillong municipal board ha Goralane katkum ka jubab RTI ka bawlayo priang kani ka jaka ka dei ka bladon lupa laslam bha Henry hakikat san snam menta ka ladon ka jingkiu jangki brio ki basa ha ka tiga jaka bat ka jingthau beaiñ ye ki ïing do bilat haus nam arajar khatwei ki nongtrei ki lapa da ka jingu jor sa ka menteri ka sarkar barem ka tanat urban affair ka kong ampliling do ka badei ru ka nomi khmat na ka tai ka than halo ka jingmam pej bnia ye ka nongtrei kaslom haka jaka pedeng kanong ba Henry omsyam ladon ka jingsim khia
pi habaring kong kalong ni ka kadon ka jaka jong ka municipal baka pet ka municipal ka badang ni po Laitumkhrah ka ba ki nongtrei jong ka municipal ki sang tu te kadiga bala don nadu ki por pharing manchwa one sarkar Assam one ka sarkar Meghalaya te in the last 15 years ni observe ba kaladon ka jingkiu jong kinong song hak tu kajaka baru ka jing thau beaiñ ki tu ki yang menshwa ki dang thau ki ni ki yang ki balong tap shiliang basu kera gilin tang snap ikem tu kelas dang don te dei house nam arajar khatwai ba hadin baki nong song shaka ki basa paramarjan tu kila gila kimla shu ban pet ya kata ka jing kan rai jong ki nong song pe kila ai ka presentation hak tu porsha ibalong Minister Urban Affairs mo ibadi atat i local MLA to por te kila ay kan ka presentation te kipaj ba apli kila ay ud kila ay hiru ka subject illegal construction and improper sanitation at municipal compound at Goralane Lumsora te kila address shay ye kitu ki problems ki bi that knowing the government land belonging to the municipal board located at Lumsora Laitumkhrah was allotted to provide shelter to the employees. However, adding up to the RCC quarters that have been allotted to the employees, a number of temporary sheds has emerged in the area which seems to us as illegal construction, as they have been constructed illegally by the occupants, violating all construction norms of MUDA. Kanidi house nam arajar khatwai bakila ai ki kini ginong song no kila dayasan kila ai po i minister concern te kila ai copy ru ngathai sha kamuda sha secretary muda CEO shalom municipal but sha kashnong hakiti kipor
uba wan kit bok pochna ula pentep bola pha da ka jingu jor halo ka jingtei ya ka ïing beaiñ kumba lapan sngo da ki nongtrei sha ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority house nam arjar pho bat kamuda kala wan jurep bat kala shukut no kumto hauno pra arajar pho ulawa jingtep da ka RTI na ka municipal bantep mano ki basong hakatai ka jaka laki de ki nongtrei ni ki weipat bat kumnu ki shubun sindan ka municipal kala ajubab rengkat ka thup kerteng jong ki basa hakatai ka jaka
menshim snam par bekas sedang ka lockdown tingi kata ka activity jong ka jing thau yin kala nang kham shirkai no kila sedang ban penyang ki paya kila complain ki nong song ki yong pen complain lam te jing shisha ngila complain semudah verbally to por kila wan ban inspect dan to ka shukut no kumtu kam position no te ngamban se ba hau menship snam ho banai December te nga ashu ai no kawai ka RTI po municipal just to understand ba mano kita ki nong shong hak taka compound municipal laki de ki nongtrei ne laki di mano kumno kin chubun snat te ka municipal kala jubab hi kata RTI kala ai ru e kata list of occupants ki ba sa kata jaka te ka e ka ba plengo e nga par long ganing list ba ai ka long club serial number kamnan serial number ki ai list of 38 of 37 occupants badon lang ki khasi runta da firamar kidon lang ki kerteng khasi te gini ki kerteng khasi kidon te tamu kisa kata katkum ka list official list of municipal according to the reply to the RTI hadin mga yo akan list te finally I came to know okay kidon gini ki occupants
hau banai kala lengkot mentau snam loyo ya ka jingu jor biang na ki nong ba namar ka jingtei kala nang khamjur shu bat khamser khai ula pha da ka jingu jor secretary kamuda bat CEO ka shillong municipal board kala don ka jingwan jurep ha ka bala lap ba baro ki jingtei ka dei ka bakhlami obor satia
how January kadon ka jing complain biang na ki nong ba kata ka jing yatei ka bala khamser khai lei ai no tengah mansing haban late channel dah kadur, tengilap bagi don ki instruction, tengah ai nak dah city complain sa secretary muda, baru sa CEO shalom municipal, te hadin banga ai tak complain, te finally municipal come respond, municipal did not respond to this letter, tangba muda did respond to ïing one ban inspect di sya muda. The one ban inspect hadin ga inspection the we issue hi muda shaw CEO municipal ba. During the inspection, a number of construction activities is seen in progress at site, all of which no permission was sought nor granted by the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority. Therefore, all the ongoing constructions are termed as unauthorized constructions. The Shillong Municipal Board may stop all the unauthorized construction at the earliest and take necessary action. Kanil I issue du muda haka pratrik February arajar poi. Ting idang mot try lawan muda things will change. Te kaya now upaya nomor initially ubna January tengi itang kolom te kat dapai February baya shithi muda tengi ka slap la dan shuttering la ya tamul la jan ya ka slap.
Namar ka jingbam hun ulapan jubab yang lengba ka RTI ka baar hau banai rempang banlap yodon kanu ka skim sarkar ka bapentai yang yaki.
Tengah mansing nga what is the next move to again ni haban tit yang ka jingkhang jong municipal. Tengah mansing ai yang ka weka RTI hau banai feb syaka municipal to find out ba yo tip yodon any scheme jong sarkar bapentai yang yaki you never know no. Tengah supen tikinai kata nga is the Shillong Municipal Board implementing RCC housing construction ki ong no. Tengah nga tho pat ikinat jat bau ditang muda berespon kata complaint letter. Tengah su ano da RTI was SMB in receipt of complaint letter dated on 22nd January with photographs on the unauthorized construction at Goralane Laitumkhrah. Jubab yes municipal. The what action was taken by SMB upon receiving the complaint dated katu with photographs. Notice for the same has been served, copy enclosed, and construction work has stopped. This is what municipal has said by construction had what? I notice to one of the person. Therefore, you are hereby directed to demolish the construction immediately, failing which legal action shall be taken against you. Shillong municipal ka issue ya uni particular person, and it copy was also given to DC East Khasi Hills Urban Affairs muda. Tengah namot try lawan demolition notice tamot structures ki demolition. Hajaka bagi structures ki demolition nang double susu ko thala nang kiso si mala. Tekala pelengo the mansing ngat. So what is the next you maybe ngimpat long clear on the subject there. Then I had to go for a third time.
Uba one kid bok ulapan jingtep yang lengba ka RTI kabalai kabolo batai ka jubab kabolo yo nakani ka RTI.
On the third RTI, again they have replied. But was the demolition completed? Luckily, under whose supervision was the demolition carried? Ka answer jong municipal kalong bed. The construction has stopped. Reminder for demolition has been issued. Te judge ba hakapor ba initially bangilit inspect lang bot muda mri tang kawai structure kabdan tigibon banu gibe sedang tay payam to tengah kelis na kata ka RTI third RTI kalamba are all the four structures belonging to Raju Singh? No. Is he an employee of municipal? No. Question number 1. Is he an employee of municipal? No. Do all the four structures belong to him? No. The illegal construction are carried out by the following another 2%. Tomot lami so langot. Lami so plus R tomot. There's something which is going on. Kaya ko palingo apart ka question number 5. If the four structures belong to separate individuals, why was notice not served separately? At the time of kajuba, at the time of inspection, it was not known to the office the person who built the illegal structures. Mangal traying ngamtip manu gibawan tau ying hakajaka junga. That is what the jubab mangayo. Tekal alang pelingo te finally the last question please intimate if there's any spot verification tiki yes at any convenient time and date it's up tip, which has never happened. Teka one no lockdown tingi la shia ngap no kumto hindi tam budget ba officially pagila tho through RTI but date and time will be intimated shortly. We expected kento lockdown is April, May, June tingi la expect, July la expect, August la expect, minta la September la jan kun so September tingi kampat yot.
Utai orang ba ulapa jingtho biang syak municipal ban kentu ban weng ye kibriu kibasa beaiñ hakate ka jaka rengkat kwepat kimat kibau lakadau. Uloong ba ki nongsong snong Laitumkhrah ki hap ban pan jingbet ban snai yeng nakamuda kat ba kalong khongpong nakamenta ki jaka sarkar bat kibriu kitei kat ba ki sumon hakate ka jaka.
Now I saw a complaint which I have not seek any reply on this complaint. Bangatho to the CEO on the 20th of April, prayer for action removal of illegal settlers at SMB colony Goralane. Ngala state ki different points katkum ka jubab jong ki hi tengah nga mention roi ki ka point number 4 that sir, the ground situation is indeed alarming as the antecedents of those occupying such illegal structures on government land public property is not known to the local authority or the police, thereby keeping the society at large in danger. While the effort taken by the government of Meghalaya to introduce laws such as MRSSA at the grassroots level is to check upon illegal residents. However, such blatant abuse of the law by the illegal settlers on government land, public property is uncalled for, and non-action by the SMB itself is deemed questionable in the eyes of the public. Namar haka jaka government lada don menum bala amli thau illegal structures to imagine. No question mark bohe how pen kelingi. And plus kila don ki incidents ru kibla juja menchua that sir, there have been many incidents in the past whereby the illegal settlers from the SMB colony has had scuffle with local populace. Kata it has come out in the media. Kitang bekum gini tingingim ko abandon kum kata. You know we want ba everything should be good the way it looks kin. Tamba tingkat palong ting nilai human thipat kum ni it creates different questions. However, such irresponsible and encroach parking on the public road obstruct normal flow of traffic. Think hard ngamtip kibrig kila kenmau pet nak nu men ki park illegally ki kali both side of the road. Kanu sen show baka ambulance kamla ban pass through khamta menta par covid le bayat ka ambulance almost 24 hours. Ka fire service dadan kanu jing namar ki park kali ka sura ka bekhem menta kala kham shu iklo tamandala pa kali ka poibeng hajo tikitu ki long kila pendik yaki nongsong snong brokhoi. Therefore, I earnestly urge upon your good office to kindly take immediate action in the following: to lodge an FIR against the illegal settlers on the government public property at SMB colony and to immediately remove all the unauthorized structures erected by Raju Singh Katkum Karashti Jumki Duma, Raju Singh, Bhim Singh and Ranjit Singh. Actually, action should be taken by municipal. Ngiling in kamni tak cakap tu ni. Pi, hendak kaya ke bapen ketik pading ipai pak kalau mau municipal umlai teman lupa. Unless until there's something hidden. Pi, like kaya ke bak pimla macam action. Kacakah tu pi. Kacakah jong sarkar. Ki angki don. Ting ngam try kandan kanu bah hapo kacakah sarkar wadda ki quarters su. Ladala olot ki quarters enda phila retire phia banbi. Simple. Kata ada ngathai kata kerkom. Nomor ki bun ki ba ni US nyo ki sa apo ki quarters nan lagi la dep retire ki la mi no ki quarters. Tengam tip habai de ba katika baka colony hente I don't know what is the arrangement. Nomor kata tes tanggal sarkar hi ka bala aman batai municipal is the custodian. Kan khamla ban batai shai ba municipal tamangi ki pajba ngi dan tang ko ke jingun bala dakaan ka haban long equal kabam shalia tamut nga lani kinong song jakalai khra la ki haban shim permission bagin thau yeng kumno ki teipat ki atha ka duman ita idi jingkli ki ba ngi kwa ki nomi khmat ki borjong sarkar bikin jubab ya kata ba ladakaan kalong equal ka haban long equal ya bro. But kum kini ki judge structures illegally lada ka sarkar ka ban shim action kala shim immediately ngathai ka an ka don ki la ban padon kam teng ban weng gitu illegal structures ki la ban weng kala don te haba ki latep ba ka illegal constructions
Kabapen ngo kalong bakat kum kejubab RTI naka MEECL banyo ya kathup kerteng jong kinong penon kam boarding hakatai ka jaka kami hap satia berkathup kerteng kinong sa hakatai ka jaka kat kum kejubab naka municipal.
Kita ki structures ki bami illegally hapo ka jaka sarkar kiring lat ne te kadon ka RTI ka banga wat jingtip na po ka MECL ka bapelingo kalong bakalis ka ba ay municipal yang tu gilai pinyo kerteng bangong epi but ka list ka bangayo na po MECL kaya pher bak labang kam dan mak hapo MECL lu ai nga kalis ke bejrong balong arpage plus kidan ki prepaid meters ru ni te kidan ki connection ba consumer name udah CEO municipal ta ba list ke badan hapo official list ba ai ka municipal claim serial number and mention biang claim serial number ka balong very surprising but ka list ka bangayo na po MECL kaya pher bak labang tamut consumer jong ka boarding but utrai ubasa apo municipal repair ta ngamtip ka arrangement baka municipal ka don nomor ka quarter ka di jong municipal ta ka official list ka di bandon no official list of employees allotted quarter number 1 ne number 2 ne te ka bill kan wan hakarteng jeno kan wan hakarteng utrai ne kawan hakarteng gi basong wai ne kata okay fine phila man ai hakarteng nong song wai ru tamba itaru ilong for a limited period kadang sa ti nong song wai long itai basong hakatu quarter te ini la pelingo ba kumnu kadan two separate list. I really do not know kumnu ka function ka administration jong ka department tamba ini la pelingo tang kata ba ka list hang tu ba ka list ni ka kami match ngau ngai phi haba phi thau yeng kat phim pa dio ka occupancy certificate empat la banyo ka boarding electric tementa haba nga thau yeng klam yo jingbet hendai ngadon kalat tengayo ni ida nga shuyo lani ki wan ice ba ne you know other means illegal means ki bon electricity theft nga try ke MECL ro kabon kita ki loopholes electricity theft is there they cannot deny te tang ita iba pelingo ngi kwa kum ginong song ba tang ita hi ba kaan ka de bonong kam de bonong basalyang long ki bakmi ki de ben khmi haba ngidon ki nong pe ngidon ki boran ki bor sarkar ngidon ki nong mikmat ki diben pet habadon kano something which is illegal which is going on kata kadika ka expectations ngi ki nong song ba anything which is illegal ngi expect na gibri bathaw ka an bakin bagin bat ya kata but habadon manu ba violate ka ibang idibila what action lamar la dangi shu ailat ban violate unite habe violate
walau ni rangba ulawat jingtei banyo juba banpen I bakadon ke jingtei bat sa beaiñ kibrio hakate ke jaka komta kalami ke jingkli balai ka municipal board lani ka muda kisngap jarjar bat kim tuklar kat kum ki kanan ain don ayu halendet